I used both headphones, both earphones, both TWS earphones too, but this is the first time I'm using this Boat Bluetooth speaker. This is Boat Stone 300 Bluetooth speaker. It is a 5-watt speaker, and this video covers all about the review of this product, what are the good and bad things, alternatively what are the pros and cons of this. So without making any further delay, let's jump into the video. Before getting into the pros, what are the good things I noticed in this one? If you want to see the unboxing video I already posted, go and check the link in iCard section or else in description box. If you want to see what are the contents you are getting inside the box, that video would really helps a lot for you. And also two key points you have to be noted, guys. One is it is an unbiased review. So both didn't told me to do this review, I only doing this review. And second thing is this is a real-time user review. I only purchased this product and with my money especially, so I started using this product. Also I forgot to mention, if you find this video is useful for you, like this video and share to your friends if anybody wants this video, especially this Boat speaker review video, so that you will help to your friends too. Also thank you so much guys for watching this video apart from others, and also take some seconds of time to subscribe the channel as well as clicking the bell icon to get every video notification whenever I post a new video in this channel. And also I given the links of Amazon and Flipkart in the description box as well as this product link too. If you want to purchase this product or else any product from Amazon or Flipkart, just click the link in the description box and start purchasing. Those are affiliated links. If you purchase from those links, I will get some commission, so that it helped to me as well as the channel too. The first is the pros. What are the good things I noticed in this one? Let's start. The first thing is compact. Look at this, how tiny it is, how small it is. You can easily carry it in your hand. I've seen some Boat speakers which are having like bar type and some like bulky speakers. This one is a pocket friendly speaker, in my words I will tell. It is small and it easily fit in your hand. You can travel it anywhere you like. And next thing is, this is a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker guys, and it produces pretty good sound. Daily in the morning after waking up, I used to listen the songs in this one, and sometimes I even watch movies too with this one. So it's pretty good, pretty compact. It's like one of the gadgets in my bag. Also if you want to improve the sound quality, you can improve it too. It's not like tweaking some changes, just plug the cable and charge this device, that's all. It will produce some more sound than you are getting without charging. That is the thing I noticed. And this speaker comes with IPX7 water resistant. I mean splash proof, not like you can easily dip into the water and you start using like that. It is splash proof only. And also this is a rugged design, so it is shock proof too. So you can throw it anywhere, but don't throw it from like crazily some buildings. Accidentally if it is fallen from your height, it is okay. It don't damage by its own. So if you throw it from buildings of height, it will damn sure it will break guys, damn sure it will break. Do note that point. And coming to the charging time as well as the backup time, this one is taking 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. And coming to the backup time, I'm getting in between 6 to 7 hours of time. And coming to the battery capacity inside in this speaker is 1500 milliamp hour capacity. Charging wise, you have to take care about 3 hours of sufficient time. When it comes to the backup time, it's plenty of time you will get it. If you start using like in medium or low type sound, you will get even more backup time than 6 to 7 hours. It is having a threaded hole at the bottom, so that you can easily use it on your tripod or in your car desk, anywhere you like. Also they given this one strip, so you can easily hang it anywhere you like. I usually hang it to the hanger so that it can easily stay there. If you are using this one in like forest areas, or like if you are touring person like me, you can hang it any nearby trees. This one is also made with like a rubber, so it is pretty good one and pretty strong too. And also this one is having integrated mic. I already posted the Mono Studio headphones review. If you missed that video, it's crazy good. So many people are watching and so many people are telling it is good. Go and check that video guys. And on those headphones, even though they are pricing very high than this one, those one doesn't have any inbuilt mic, but this one is having integrated microphone, so that you can easily pick up the calls and you can use it and you can talk to the person other side on your call. So mic option is also there in this one, but you cannot activate Alexa or Siri in this one. You have to note that point too. And this one is having integrated buttons on the top. One is power on or off button, and plus and minus, as well as play and pause button. This plus and minus buttons works like increasing or decreasing the sound, as well as changing the music track too. And play button is only for play or pause. This Bluetooth speaker is having 50mm drivers, so you can assume how the sound quality it is. It's crazy good. And also this one supports Bluetooth version 5.0, so the connectivity range is more when compared to previous Bluetooth one. And also your mobile also would support Bluetooth 5.0. If your mobile doesn't support Bluetooth 5.0, means it will connect to previous like Bluetooth 4.5 or 4.0. I'm not sure that version, but it supports Bluetooth 5.0, so the connectivity range is pretty good. Also you can connect this via aux cable too. Also I forgot to mention side here we're having charging connection as well as the aux cable support. I connect the aux cable from laptop to this speaker and I use it. This is how actually I use with my laptop. As I mentioned earlier, it is having integrated mic. You can take calls to note this point. And finally this one is support all Windows, Android and iOS devices, so you don't need to worry about the support of this device. You can easily connect across all the devices you are using. When it comes to the colors, this one is having 3 colors. The outer edging is totally black for all of the colors. The only thing you notice is in this part, I think I'll show in B-roll. In this part only you can observe the changing of the colors. This one is actually grayish and black type texture here. Only this part the color will change, remaining all is black only. Well, these are the pros, I mean the liked things in this one. And coming to the cons, what are the things I noticed bad in this Bluetooth speaker? The first thing is it is having micro USB for charging. Come on, it's for 2022. In case if boat is watching this video, you have to update some things, and people are now using only Type-C cables. They don't have any micro USB cables. Some people they are using, but I'm telling majority of the people are using Type-C cables. So please come up with Type-C support only. Please, it's my humble request. And next thing I found very bad, it's like time consuming one is the charging time. It took around 3 hours of time to charge from 0 to 100%, even though it is having only 1500 milliamp hour battery capacity. So that feels me very bad. It's like 3 hours of time for just 1500 mAh battery. Now for 4000 5000 mAh battery, crazily we are charging up 0 to 100% in like 20 or 30 minutes. Next is this one comes with 1 year of warranty. That is good thing, but when it comes to the warranty, this one comes under warranty if there is no liquid damage is there. Yes, it is having IPX7 splash proof resistant, but if in case you thrown in water and you have to claim your warranty, means it don't, because for those types the warranty is not at all there for this speaker. So that is why I'm telling you have to take care while using this speaker. For a splash, for rainy small tiny droplets, it is okay, you can easily use. But if you want to deep into the water and you have to use, means it void the warranty as well as it won't work too. That thing you have to notice. If in case it is having manufacturing or technical defects, on that time only the warranty will be accepted. And next thing is this speaker doesn't have any micro SD card support. Come on, why? It is, oh my god, many speakers are now, even though like tiny RGB speakers, which is not at all branded one, they are also giving the support of memory card, I mean micro SD card slot. This one doesn't have any micro SD card support. So bad to see that. And finally, it is having only mono channel, no stereo effects in this speaker. So if you want any stereo speakers, this speaker is not for you guys. It is a mono speaker. Well, these are the bad things I noticed in this one. And finally, our video contains one more section. It is for whom I recommend this product. This product is useful for mini type usage, like you can use it in your home, you can use it in your parties, and you can use it in your going tour outside. It is very compact too, so that I'm telling you can use it in these places. But if you want crazy some good sound quality, it produces decent quality, but if any crowd is there, like more than 5 to 6 people, they dominate this speaker sound. For tours, watching movies, and for listening of the songs, as well as even for car speaker also. And if you want like integrated mic speaker, this one is really helps a lot for you guys. Overall, in a single sentence, I'll tell this is portable speaker at budget pricing. Well, this is the review of this Boat Stone 300 5-watt Bluetooth speaker, guys. I hope this video helpful for you if you're planning to purchase this speaker. If in case I missed any of the things, and if you're still having any doubts in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and also share this video if possible if any of your friends wanted to know especially the review of this product. And subscribe to Tech Bunny. As usual, my name is Rajshekar and you're watching Tech Bunny, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.